Welcome to Center Computer and Application Setting. Today, I will teach you how to protect your Firefox browser from unauthorized access by adding extension that will help you to lock your browser. So you're going to search for browser extension. Browser lock. Okay, the first one here, you click on it. Add a Firefox. You can see the extension is already here above, pinned here above. So enter the password, confirm the password, save. Now you've saved it. Let's close the browser. Open it again. Okay, when you open the browser, it's going to be locked up automatically. You cannot access any particular website except you unlock the browser. So what are you going to do? You unlock the browser. Leave the page. Right. Never save this password to browser. Okay, you can access any website, open any tab, but once you close it and open it again, right, you're going to ask you about the password. You cannot access any tab or any website except you enter the password and unlock it. In the page. So this is how you add browser lock to Firefox browser using this extension. And the importance of this is you're going to lock your browser that you personally use, private browser, from unauthorized access. Nobody's going to be authorized to access the browser except you or someone who you gave the password. If you have a third person who is going to access your browser from your computer, you can create another profile meant for someone else. But this browser that you have important information, history, bookmarks, etc., etc. You have to keep it private, okay, for yourself. This is a safe way to protect your information online and from unauthorized access. So if you enjoyed this program, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for this channel. I'll be able to bring more videos that are related to your need. Thanks and good day.